Well, that was interesting. Anyways, this is Rainbow, the Watcher, and today I'm playing it. This DLC recently came out a few days ago, and here I am playing it a couple days later. Some food. Oh, looks like we have the food Pip Survivor has. Rock. Okay. I don't know. Oh, hydroponics. That's an interesting name. I know basically nothing about the DLC. I avoided as many trailers. Oh, there's a pink lizard. I avoided the trailers, so because I wanted to get that fresh experience, you know. So I don't really know um, what the Watcher's deal is. And he doesn't seem to have any special abilities. Oh, okay. I wonder if I could eat meat. Well, I guess I probably couldn't now that that pink lizard is 500 oh, fell to its death. So, but I'm just gonna explore around, see what we can find. One of those is a pole plant. Nope, okay. So I'm not too worried about getting karma. I'm just gonna explore around, see if there's any new creatures. There was one. Oh, there's a garbage worm. There's one creature in the beginning. I'll show it an image of the art. Really nice art, by the way. And there's a green lizard. Two green lizards. And a pink lizard. So I'm just making my way through. So far I haven't, besides the region, I haven't seen anything different. Oh, that's just a drop lake. Can I eat meat? Nope, I can't. Do I have anything in my stomach? Nope. Ouch. Okay, that one's a plant. No, it's not a pole plant. Okay. Oh, industrial complex. What? Oh no, no, that's not good. Uh, can I go down there? Looks like it. There's stuff down there. Okay, I'm just gonna blindly jump in. The sense. What? Wait, what? Excuse me? What? I'm just. I'm really confused by this. Maybe I didn't expect to go all the way over here. I guess I'll just sleep for now and. Wow. Uh. Oh, there's vultures here. They're not normally here. Oh, I just threw a rock at it. Okay, well, I guess I'll just sleep for the first cycle. Wonder if we'll get any dreams. I think the plan is I'm just gonna go back there and see if there's any new regions, because I don't think I'll get anything much of exploring industrial complex. Is is that the same one I threw a bomb at? Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm simply gonna stay. The plan now is to, I could go through. Nah, okay. Unless I'm just gonna check and yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick peek at what the starting area looks like. And I completely forgot what the name was. We're back. Outskirts is what it's called. Oh, okay, that's not a red lizard. That's just a purple lizard. Looks like a red lizard. And I only have a rock, which is not. This is not an ideal situation to be in. Yes. That was insanely lucky. Wow. Why is everything purple? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. I was just gonna take a quick peek. Oh my gosh, what? Wow. Okay, so is this long after 5 pebbles? Because okay, that's a red lizard. The end of. Hold on. Fight, fight, fight. Okay, no, 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 no. Okay, it's just they're ignoring each other. Oh boy. Okay, this is not good. Are they gonna fight? Not my chance. Right. Oh, okay. Jeez. He was waiting for that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna head through there because now that I know something interesting is there, I'm gonna actually, I might as well check what's in industrial. So, judging by what we've seen so far, this is probably into the future because normally there's not rot in industrial complex, especially not purple rot, which is concerning. I might not want to go near 5 pebbles. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think I'm just gonna wander around until I find something. I already have found something, which is the... Okay, yeah, I'm gonna head back. Oh, that was cool. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Well, I was rooting for the drop wig, but you can see how that ended up. I'm wondering if the rot sort of serves as a way to stop me from going from certain areas. So it's sort of guiding me into going to the newer ones. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. Hold on, I want to see this. Whoa. What was that? Anyways, okay. Let's just head back now. Okay, we're back where we started. This strange area. I think this leads to... They might be stopping me from going to garbage waste. Also, I did not expect to survive just jumping on the route like that. So, I think my plan is to go to... Or, I mean, sorry, it's the sewage place. The dirty place no one likes.
Oh, so that's what it's called. Okay. You know what? I'm glad I checked the wiki.
So, yeah, that's where it leads. So, I'm assuming that's probably where I want to go. Oh, hold on, this doesn't lead anywhere. I could go to Farmer Ray's right now, actually. Ah, looks like the drop makes lost again. Oh, that's a problem. If you notice, we're back in industrial complex. That is because I just kept wandering around and, uh, yeah, I didn't really find anything interesting in outskirts, so I again headed back here, and I decided to go to garbage waste in hopes of finding something interesting. Actually, I think some tunnel is here. Okay, okay, so after exploring for a little, we've finally found something, and it's just a bunch of rot, and it's gone now. Okay.
Alright, that is it for episode 1. I've already recorded the next few episodes, so that should be coming soon. I say soon lightly because in reality it will probably take a couple weeks, but anyways, that's it. See ya.